Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. Our team arrives on time and is always professional. Be sure your unit is ready for the cooler temperatures by visiting our website, callks.com today, and schedule your appointment. It's fast and easy. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today. 205-322-9090, AL certification number 1112.
It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition. This is for Friday, the 15th of December. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather colder today. Rain before the weekend wraps up. And what about Christmas? Ooh, it's that marvelous time of the year. Let's go in there and check it out early this morning. You know what that is? That's a water vapor satellite view. And again, we got the eastern trough sharpening up again today. And a shot of cold air comes in from the north. We're starting off the day in the 20s, mid-20s to the north. Haleyville down to 24, Cullman 26, Birmingham at 32. Highs only in the 40s today. It'll be about 10 to 12 degrees colder than yesterday. And around the nation, the coldest air continues over the northeast United States, but much of the country pretty cold this morning. There's the watch warning map. Despite the cold air, things are relatively quiet. A few pockets around the northern states with winter weather advisories. And obviously, with much of the country in cold air, thunderstorms, no issue for the lower 48 today. This is the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Friday morning of next week. Got some good rains for the Pacific Northwest and down here in the Gulf Coast region. A lot of rain in the next 7 days. This is the expected rain for Alabama. Rain amounts keep coming up. This is suggesting some 2-inch amounts or higher for the southern two-thirds of the state. And that rain will start Sunday. So let's dive in here and see what we've got. All kind of questions. Let's see if we can answer them. This is the GFS, the 06C run, noon today at 500 millibars. Eastern trough, new surge of colder air, partly sunny with mid-40s today. Pretty cold for mid-December. This is tomorrow. Will be dry. Early in the morning, we'll be well down in the 20s, but the high back in the 50s tomorrow. A good supply of sunshine. But then Sunday, here comes the rain with this feature lifting out of Mexico. So we would recommend if you need to do something outdoors this weekend, you do it tomorrow. Let's check the high-resolution NAM, the 3-kilometer NAM. This is Sunday at noon. And this is showing rain advancing into Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, and Gadsden at that point. And it might stick around here. This is Monday off the GFS, and you can see it's still wet. And Tuesday, it's still wet. And temperatures next week are going to warm up into the 60s as a warm front lifts north of here. So mild and rain at times, maybe some thunder. We don't expect any severe weather, but rain amounts between Sunday and Tuesday will likely be in the 2-inch range, and some spots maybe closer to 3 inches. Wednesday, we get back into drier air. Highs drop back in the 50s. Thursday, we're dry, seasonal, and this is a week from today. This is Friday, December 22nd. And if the GFS is right, we'll have this upper low south of Phoenix. And how those things lift out can always be complex, especially 7 days in advance. And if this were to verify, this is suggesting rain moving in at the end of next week with a cold front coming in. And yeah, we got to keep going because it's almost Christmas. Let's go to Saturday, December 23rd. Looks cloudy, a bit rainy. This is Christmas Eve. Sunday, December 24th. And understand, longtime viewers know this is nothing but voodoo here. This will change. If you're new to this, it will change. But there's been some consistency in the idea of a cold front trying to slowly approach with maybe some rain around this time, and that's what we've got here. And, look at Christmas Day. Wow. This is Monday, December 25th. And again, come on, guys, this is just voodoo. We're just having fun. If by chance this is right, we'd have rain for much of the state and a wintry mix. In fact, let's bump it up the Tuesday, the 26th. And this is showing freezing rain or sleet over much of north and southwest Alabama. But again, this is going to change. This is the temperature look here for Tuesday, the 26th. And, again, if this verifies, we get into cold air. But we've seen all kind of looks out here. We've seen warmth. We've seen stormy looks. We've seen wet looks. We've seen cold and dry looks. We just don't know yet. Let's check the European. It runs 240 hours, or at least that's what I've got in my office here. So this is valid Christmas Eve. 6 o'clock Christmas Eve, Sunday, December 24th. This looks dry. You got the GFS showing a big rain mass in here. The European showing nothing. But fairly cold. You can see temperature anomalies look cold. Temperature's well below average here. But again, this could flip-flop again. The bottom line is nobody knows. And this is always fun to look at. This is the GFS ensemble, the snow output. You got 20 members, about 6 of them produce some snow here. At some point around Christmas or that following week. And all the snow lovers love that E9 ensemble member number 9 with 10 inches of snow here. But again, most of the members show nothing. It's just too early. One more fun map. This is the snow depth coming off the GFS on Christmas morning. And again, use that graphic with caution. Let's check the numbers here. Back to reality. Again, next week you can see we kind of up in the 60s at least for the first half of the week, and then you can see the trend back downward around that week of Christmas. But the bottom line is, guys, it's just too early. We'll give you a first good look for Christmas on really Sunday or Monday. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Hey, KS Services is now running their $59 fall tune-up special. The weather's getting cooler and the days are getting shorter. Don't let the fall weather sneak up on you. Call us today, 205-322-9090, AL certification number 11120.